This is a FADAL 4020 HT high torque machining center. This particular machine was manufactured in 2005. The machine has been thoroughly cleaned by our technician and placed under power in our facility. This FADAL features rigid tapping, a high torque spindle, 10,000 RPM. The umbrella style tool carousel has 21 tool capacity. The table surface on this machine is unusually clean, virtually unused. The electrical panels have been detailed and they're extremely clean. The power supply is 440, 60, 3-phase. This FADAL is available to be inspected under power by appointment. TR Wigglesworth Machinery Company has been feeding families and serving industry since 1935. Please contact us for a detailed price proposal as well as a shipping quote, and let us be of service to you.